Guys, dito kami ngayon sa Cochrane kasi mayroon silang Heritage Month and Seniors Week celebration, no? At yung nag-cater sa kanilang food ay yung Giga Karinderya dito sa Cochrane, si Elizabeth
Giga.
Apelido yung Giga
Yes
talaga. Okay. Kausapin natin siya kung ano yung ma-offer niya sa atin ngayon about sa kanilang business. Okay, kumusta?
Mabuti po, mabuhay.
So, pwede mo siyang ikwento kung paano mo nagsimula yung karinderya mo? Or just give us a little bit background of paano ka nakapunta dito ng Canada?
Nagpunta po sa Canada as live-in caregiver.
Oh, wow.
And then I work 5 jobs. And then,
5 jobs?
yes po.
Oh my.
And then I got my family. And then, pero may ano naman kami, may background naman sa restaurant kasi nga we own restaurant in
Sa
the Philippines. Opo.
Okay.
So kaya ano naman kami, okay naman kami. Then it's in my heart na yung skills namin we need to pursue here in Cochrane.
So, kailan to nagsimula yung business?
Magpo 4 years na po
Sino
this coming November.
nag-pursue nito?
Ako po and the family.
And the family?
Yes po.
Pero this is a family business?
Yes po.
Kapsama yung husband mo?
My husband is the chef.
Yung husband ang chef. So kaya para masarap kasi yung husband niya ang chef. At saka
Yes.
nag-a-assist si ano.
Apo.
So sa yung business mo dito sa Cochrane,
Sa Cochrane po, okay naman. And we do not only in Cochrane, we're doing good outside Cochrane naman po. Kasi we have more orders from different, Calgary, Banff, Canmore,
Oh, really?
Airdrie. Yes
Wow.
po.
So this is catering and also pop? Or...
Yes. And then we have the turo-turo, like karinderya. We have a la carte inside.
Saan yung karinderya mo sa downtown Cochrane?
We
Address?
are located po sa Unit 12, 122 4th Avenue West, Cochrane, Alberta.
Mayroon ba kayong page para ma-invite natin yung...
We have, pa lang po, Facebook pa lang. But the page is ongoing po, yeah.
Okay. So ano yung mga specialty or mga bestseller kumbaga?
We have like the inasal,
The whole thing?
yes, no, just a quarter leg.
Quarter, okay.
We have the Bicol Express, the laing, because we are authentic Bicol cuisine.
Oh, wow.
Yes po.
So far naman yung business okay.
Yes po.
Ilang taon na yung business?
Magpo-4 na po this coming November.
4 years?
Apo.
Wow, so grabe, no?
Yes
Pero
po.
from the start, anong masasabi mo?
It's hard to introduce the business, especially the Filipino cuisine. So what we do is we do sponsorship, we do cooking and give it like for a sponsor instead of giving money. So they can try the food po.
Okay.
At least it's better, di ba? Kasi matitikman talaga nila. So yun po ang ginagawa namin and more advertising and word of mouth. Kaya medyo opo,
malakas.
kasi sila naman yung nag-ano.
So, ikaw o kayo yung nag-cater dito sa Heritage Community, ay itong activity event na to.
Opo.
So, you're also one of the organizers?
Opo. And also a treasurer before. Now it's at new officers. And I just back off this time to give the opportunity to others.
Oh, yeah.
And I have to focus on my business. That's why po right now, but I'm still there to support the Filipino
So,
community.
full-time mo na to, hindi ka na nagtrabaho.
Wala na po.
So, nag-focus ka na sa business.
Yes po. Kasi I need to be hands-on po.
Okay. So, paki-invite na lang yung mga kababayan natin sa Alberta.
Okay po, sa lahat po ng mga followers ni
Kuya Wilson?
Kuya Wilson, I'm inviting you po pag napunta po kayo ng Cochrane, Alberta, please visit our store. It is located at Unit 12, 122 4th Avenue West beside the Canadian Pizza Unlimited. It's a Filipino cuisine.
Okay.
Yeah. We do catering po. Give us a call 403-981-2662.
Okay guys, so kung gusto niyo may mga event kayo dyan, mga party, especially December, no? Malakas ang December,
Yes
di ba?
po.
Makalakas talaga.
Yes, more on Calgary ang catering namin
Oh,
in
more on
December.
Calgary.
Yes po.
So, imagine from Cochrane, nagdayo pa ng Calgary sa ganon kasarap yung ulam nila, pagkain nila. Okay, salamat.
Walang anuman po. Salamat po.
Salamat. See
And
you.
please support our Kuya Will
Wilson.
vlog. Thank you.
Masarap, sobrang sarap.
Sobrang sarap.
Kaya dapat i-try nyo na.
Okay.
Si Yummy.
Yummy?
Masarap.
Anong pinaka the best sa lahat? O
Yap.
lahat?
Yeah.
Ako rin lahat.
Si Kuya talaga.
Ako rin lahat. Okay, salamat.